Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the GeneralAire DH75 dehumidifier. This particular installation is designed if you have an enclosed attic or an enclosed crawl space. So what you would do is put the unit in there. We've put a piece of flex duct on here. It's recommended that you put a piece of flex duct on that is a minimum of 4 to 6 foot long. You can put a much longer piece on here if you'd like. The idea behind this is the air is drawn in the front and discharged out the back. And it would be ideal if you can get this discharge air farther away from the unit. So if you have a crawl space and you put this kind of at one end of it and you have this flex duct running over here towards the other end, you'll get really good circulation through that crawl space, and of course a longer piece of this duct. But you'd get really good circulation through there, and the dehumidification system would work much better. Now we put it on blocks, and the reason behind that is if you have a crawl space that is potentially prone to flooding, you're going to want to keep this thing out of the water, of course, hence putting it on some blocks, and we of course have it leveled here with the leveling feet. The drain, there's a trap that comes with the unit, and we have this drain running off here to a drain source. You can also, of course, run it off into a condensate pump and then pump the condensate water up and out of the space if it's, below ground level in a crawl space or possibly in an attic and it needs to go up and over. This unit happens to be very narrow, so is designed for you to be able to put it between trusses in an attic if that's your particular application. The control is within the unit. So this has a built-in dehumidistat, and you can control this thing. If you attach it to Wi-Fi, you can control it with your phone or a smart tablet. And that's pretty much it for this unit.